Good news, Yeastar partners! We can directly install the P-Series PBX Software Edition to AWS Lightsail via your Yeastar Partner Portal, saving your time by avoiding instant setup and command line operation. Want to know how? Just follow this video tutorial. And as always, if you prefer reading material, the manual is right in the description. First of all, let's start with the basic concept. We connect AWS Lightsail to Yeastar Partner Portal via API. So once connected, all future P-Series PBX Software Edition installations can be accomplished directly from Yeastar Partner Portal. The first thing to do is to establish the API connection. Start by logging into the IAM console. Click your account in the upper right corner and choose Security Credentials. Then, in Access Keys, we create an access key. In the Access Key Best Practice and Alternatives page, we go for Other, and then click on Next to move forward. In the description, we can leave a remark here so we can identify this key. And we click on the Create Access Key. Now, on the Retrieve Access Keys page, we can get the key information. It will be shown once only. So we recommend you download CSV file which contains the key info for your next step. But of course, you can directly copy it if you wish. Now let's move on to install the PBX for the very first time. Log into the Yeastar Partner Portal and in Products and Purchase section, find the P-Series PBX Software Edition that we bought. Now in Activation Status, click on Install PBX. Then in the pop-up window, select AWS Lightsail. In Authorization, we need to fill in the Access Key ID and Secret Access Key from the last step to verify the API connection. Please note that you only need to do it once. In the future, the key will be entered automatically for AWS Lightsail. Now we simply name the PBX and choose region, availability zone, and instance type according to the PBX size. Please refer to the form if you need guidance on the type of instance. Then click on Create and Install. After clicking Install, the installation will start and it will take a few minutes. Once it is done, we will be notified and we can get access to the activation URL of the PBX. Now we can click here to copy the activation code directly, activate the PBX, and start configuring the PBX. And if we need to access the PBX the next time, we can go to the AWS Lightsail console to get the public IP address of our PBX. If you want to give it a go, but you are not a Yeastar partner yet, please go to the link in the description to get your Yeastar partner application freely. And I will catch you guys in the next one.